there's going to be higher chances of war.
कि भाई 22, 29, 28 ये सारे डेट्स पे ट्रैवल नहीं करना चाहिए.
Yeah, there are certain dates. 29th was one of those dates where 6 planets were said to come in an alignment. Life path is the Bhagyank. BD मैं कहूँगा birth date is the Mulank. Those master numbers have a very important significance.
There are predictions for number 1, number 2, number 3, those who are born on the number 1. तो
Predictions,
ऐसे
yeah, that's true.
कुछ predictions मिल सकते हैं इस बार. First of all, welcome to the part 2
Thank
of
you.
this
Pleasure
podcast.
to be here.
Yeah. So first we'll come to recent events. कि अभी जो हुआ है, like you said in your earlier podcast,
Yeah.
कि this is the year of Mars, I believe. Were these things predicted? Were these things expected to happen?
So see, as far as predictions go, there are as many predictions as there are astrologers, right? So predictions तो काफ़ी सारे हुए थे कि of course the chance of violent events goes up significantly in such situations when you have anything related to Mars basically, and the results are there for all of us to see. But numerological assessments or astrological assessments are so diverse. Somebody like I also covered maybe in your previous podcast that somebody is going to tell you that this is the year of Jupiter, somebody is going to tell you the year of Mars, and of course that depends on the person concerned as to whether they'll face such events or not.
अच्छा.
But as far as the whole country or a whole region is concerned, there is a separate branch called mundane astrology. Okay, so जैसे हम किसी particular individual का कुंडली देखते हैं, उसी प्रकार से हम किसी region का, किसी country का हम कुंडली देख सकते हैं. So as per those assessments also, it was predicted that there's going to be higher chances of war. Even some astrologers predicted in the neighboring areas of India there could be some trouble brewing, which we of course God forbid that it doesn't happen, but we have fortunately averted that so far. So yes, a lot of such predictions are indeed coming true. And there is a common underlying theme that it involves either accidents or violent affairs like wars and all. So the results are for all of us to see.
क्योंकि क्या है अभी तो इंटरनेट पे इतना स्टॉर्म चल रहा है, a storm of information,
Yeah.
which says ये डेट्स पे मत जाओ, ये डेट्स पे ट्रैवल मत करो, and astrologers are giving out dates कि भाई 22, 29, 28 ये सारे डेट्स पे ट्रैवल नहीं करना चाहिए.
Yeah.
तो यार ये फॉलो करते करते तो बैंड बज जाएगी, मतलब
बिल्कुल
बिजनेस विल गेट अफेक्टेड एंड एवरीथिंग.
बिल्कुल सी ब्लैंकेट प्रेडिक्शंस ऐसे नहीं होते. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल कि कौन सा डेट आपका खराब है. लाइक देयर आर सर्टेन डेट्स व्हेन यू कैन से फॉर इंस्टेंस March 29th was one of those dates where 6 planets were said to come in an alignment. So the chances of any cataclysmic events or such things usually goes up. But as far as individual travel and such things are concerned, there are multiple ways in astrology to see that. Okay, प्रश्न शास्त्र में उसके उपाय हैं. Plus, even if you see numerology, you have the concept of personal year, personal month, personal day, even personal hour. So you'll be able to figure out, which hour of the day or which day, for instance, hour तो बहुत ज़्यादा too specific हो गया. लेकिन you'll be able to figure out which day is better for you for a job, or say for instance for traveling and all of that. So वो individual level पे assessments करने चाहिए. और those who are particularly endangered, like those who are at higher risk astrologically, they should of course adopt some precautions there. Because of course एक बार ये accidents वगैरह इससे कोई chances लेने नहीं चाहिए. Because एक business meeting cancel हुआ ठीक है, लेकिन nothing is more important than life.
Right.
In such circumstances. तो ऐसा yeah.
Right. And since last time हमने ना थोड़ा न्यूमरोलॉजी पे डिस्कशन कम किया था, तो कैन वी डिस्कस दैट दिस टाइम कि जैसे there are predictions for number 1, number 2, number 3, those who are born on the number 1. तो
predictions,
ऐसे
that's true.
कुछ predictions मिल सकते हैं इस बार number wise.
See, if you want to derive predictions, again, first I'll tell you the broad theme of numerology. You have mainly 6 important numbers in numerology. The first one is your psychic number, कोई उसको driver number कहता है. There's the Mulank, as we say. So that is derived from adding up the digits of your date of birth.
Date of birth, yeah.
Not the month or year, only the date. So Mulank एक हो गया. दूसरा होता है आपका life path number, जो आपका भाग्यांक कहते हैं या फिर उसे कंडक्टर नंबर भी कहते हैं. So one becomes the driver number, the one we discussed earlier. And the second one is the conductor number. तो वो आपका जो पूरा date of birth है, you have to isolate each segment, date of birth, month of birth and the year of birth. तीनों को add करके there are certain rules, like certain numbers are not reduced. For instance, they are called the master numbers. Sorry, master numbers are 11, 22, 33. So if they occur in any segment of your birth date, so they are not reduced. For instance, if your birth date is 12, so I'll reduce that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. But if it's 11, I'm not going to reduce that. I'm going to keep it as 11.
अच्छा,
So those are the final rules here.
मूलांक 11 हो जाएगा.
मूलांक 11 नहीं होगा. When you calculate the conductor number, उसमें because आपका नंबर कहीं ना कहीं 1 to 9 पे ही आना है.
हाँ.
You don't have numbers beyond 9.
Okay.
So मूलांक तो उसी में आ जाएगा. लेकिन when you are adding the whole thing up to form your life path number, भाग्यांक, उसमें we will not reduce the master numbers. But these are technical things. Those who are students of astrology, numerology, it's relevant only to them.
नहीं तो ये तो फिर this is new information to me at least, क्योंकि क्या है, किसी का अगर बर्थ डेट 11 पे है तो हम तो 1 plus 1 2 करके ऐड करके उसका मूलांक भाग्यांक. So I think this is relevant for भाग्यांक.
This is relevant for भाग्यांक only.
मूलांक तो अगर किसी का 11 है
मूलांक
तो
होगा तो 1 plus 1 you have to derive 2.
हाँ, लेकिन भाग्यांक तो चेंज हो जाएगा इस केस में.
Even for मूलांक I'll tell you, मूलांक में you'll derive 2. But there are multiple ways you can derive 2. आप 2 plus 0 कर सकते हो 20 में. वो भी 2 ही आने वाला है. 0 2 होगा तो भी 2 आने वाला है. So their features change. अब जिसका 2 plus 0 से बना है उसके फीचर्स अलग होंगे. जिसके 1 plus 1 से 2 बना है उसका अलग होगा.
अच्छा, ऐसा भी है.
ऐसा भी है because 2 is ruled by moon. 2 represents moon. 1 represents sun. So when 1 plus 1 equals to 2, so that introduces a different set of features. You have the features of both sun and moon.
अच्छा.
But when you only have 2 plus 0, you have only the features of moon. तो ऐसा not the features of moon, because a lot of different numbers play a role in determining how the person will be.
Okay.
Again, as far as the Mulank is concerned, your features, moon is going to have a very dominant say.
Okay.
In what the time. इसीलिए those are called master numbers, because if you have one like 11 for instance in Mulank, तो अगर मैं आपका भाग्यांक भी डिटरमाइन करूँ पूरा, for instance 11th January 1900, so I'll place 11 plus 1, so it is not going to become 2 plus 1, it's going to be 11 plus 1, that is 12.
Okay.
Ultimately we are adding the whole number up and we are reducing it to something between 1 and 9.
But won't the total be still the same? क्योंकि 11 plus 1 12 होता है. ठीक है, तो उसका 1 plus 2
टोटल तो सेम हो ही सकता है, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है.
लेकिन अलग भी हो सकता है.
like we'll have to see that calculations के हिसाब से. 33 किसी का 33 तो होगा, खैर होगा नहीं. 22 और 11, तो जो भी कैलकुलेशंस आए आपके, दैट इज इररिलेवेंट. आप जो फाइनल नंबर आपका आएगा, वी ऑलवेज, फॉर इंस्टेंस द फाइनल नंबर इज 5, सो विल राइट 11/5, बिकॉज जस्ट टू हाईलाइट द पार्ट दैट हिज बर्थ डेट कंटेन्स अ मास्टर नंबर.
ओके. सो अगर किसी ने 11 है तो 11 plus 2 करना है.
11 plus 1 करना है, या जो भी मंथ है, जो भी मंथ है उसका.
अच्छा, 11 plus वो करना है.
11 plus 1
plus 1 plus वो नहीं करना है.
नहीं, 1 plus 1 plus 1 नहीं करना.
ओके.
वैसे होता है, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली जो भी हमारा आता है नंबर, उसके साथ हम लोग कोई भी स्पेशल ऐसा नंबर रहेगा, 11, 22, 33. There are sometimes numbers called karmic date numbers, 13, 14, 16 and 19.
अच्छा.
These are numbers. तो उसको हम लोग रिड्यूस करते हैं, उसमें ऐसा नहीं कि रिड्यूस नहीं करते.
Okay.
लेकिन उसको सेपरेटली हम इंडिकेट कर देते हैं, स्लैश करके लिख के 13, so as to know के, because see, my for instance 31st भी 4 है, 13 भी 4 है. So if you just give your Mulank, people are not going to know कि वो कैसे बना है.
Okay.
किसी का अगर 13 हो, so that's a karmic date number. Karmic date means it is believed, it's common belief that there are certain karmas that are carrying forward from the previous birth.
Okay.
So उसमें उसके लिए कुछ precautions होते हैं. It's not it's significant, but not many numerologists see that actually.
So that's
Yeah.
it's important then.
Important है, but basically it influences your character in a certain way. For instance, कोई अगर 14 का होगा, that person has a chance to get into multiple affairs and all of that. So it is prescribed for that person to exercise restraint, discipline and all of those things. So वो बहुत ही इंटीरियर में आ जाता है. As we are talking about master numbers 11, 22, 33. So उसके भी फीचर्स है. For instance, if it's 11 January 1990 for somebody, so I'm going, whatever the final number is, I'm going to reduce that to one digit for your क्या कहते हैं, Bhagyank, and I'm going to write 11 also separately. To indicate that this person has a master number, because master numbers have a very important significance. For instance, if somebody is 11, तो कहते हैं कि these persons are very intuitive because you have the properties of sun as well as the moon. Sun, the job of sun is to illuminate. Moon is the mind. So these persons are idealists and very good thinkers. They can plan things out very well. 22 हुआ किसी का अगर date of birth, 22 is also master number. So 22 में like 2 and 2 moon, so energies of moon will be there, but 2 plus 2 is also equal to 4. So that brings the energies of Rahu there. And the ruler of 22, this number is Mercury. So basically you have the characteristics of all three. So these people, in contrast to 11 का जो हमने कहा idealist thinkers and all, 22 people are master builders. They are fantastic at executing, leading and building things up. And then 33 जिसका है, so that has 22 plus 11, दोनों के features उसमें होंगे, and that is a very spiritually elevated number.
लेकिन 33 कैसे होगा?
33 आप total add करोगे किसी का, even if you add up the name numbers में उसमें भी 33 आ सकता है आपका लाइव. अगर पूरा आपने ऐड किया 11, 1, 1990 ऐसे किसी का डेट ऑफ बर्थ फुल करके भी 33 आ सकता है. Then you are going to reduce it to 6. लेकिन 33 तो आया है.
Total 33 आया.
Total 33 आया है.
That total has a significance.
That total has a significance, yes. That total has a significance. Total by itself doesn't have a significance in date of birth until you reduce it, unless it's a master number. But if you were talking about the name numbers, for instance, every alphabet of your name is assigned a number in numerology. Different systems में, for example, Chaldean जो system है उसमें you have numbers from 1 to 8. Pythagorean system में वो 9 भी मतलब 9 जो है डिजिट वो भी एक लेटर को अल्फाबेट को असाइन किया गया. लेकिन वो मोस्टली Chaldean सिस्टम ही फॉलो होता है. तो नेम नंबर भी अगर आप ऐड करोगे टोटल तो उसका भी एक नंबर बनता है. तो एक तो होल नंबर है, एक आपको रिड्यूस करना पड़ेगा. फॉर इंस्टेंस 37 है, तो 37 का भी अपना एक सिग्निफिकेंस है, और 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 का भी अपना सिग्निफिकेंस है. So when it comes to name numbers, the whole number has a greater significance than the date of birth. In date of birth में अगर आपका कार्मिक डेट आता है या मास्टर नंबर्स आते हैं, तो फिर वो हम उसको भी एक कंसिडर करते हैं, बिकॉज जस्ट टू नो कि इस पर्सन के नाम में एक डेट ऑफ बर्थ में एक मास्टर नंबर है करके.
So that number will influence.
That number will influence
that person's life.
That person's life, that person's character, nature and everything.
अच्छा, 11 और 22 का डिस्कशन कर लिया, तो 1 से चालू करते हैं ना, क्योंकि क्या है, मूलांक जो है यूजुअली तो हम लोग रिड्यूस कर देते हैं.
या
ठीक है, टोटल करके फिर जो फाइनल नंबर आता है उस पर डिस्कशन होता है.
या
बट नाउ एज आई सी कि एवरी नंबर माइट हैव इट्स ओन इम्पोर्टेंस. तो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 1 ले लिया, तो 1 का कैसे होगा?
1 लाइक सी अभी we got to understand मूलांक क्या है. मूलांक basically tells you about the person's foundations, build, his nature basically. वो इंसान कैसा है, मूलांक उसके बारे में बताता है. अब वो 1 नंबर आपका भाग्यांक भी हो सकता है.
Right.
Bhagyank is a life path. So our teacher gave a very good analogy, an example of this. For instance, there is a road and there is a destination. Somebody is driving a car. So the driver is the Mulank. The road that you are traveling and the destination that you are about to reach is the life path. But the destination, when will that destination be reached? There are 2 factors involved. First, Mulank होगा जो driver है. Driver sane होना चाहिए, like otherwise if he is not skilled, doesn't know how to drive, he'll not be able to reach there. Or second thing is the car that is driving. That car is your name number. You can't change the driver, you can only change the vehicle there. So अगर ड्राइवर और जो लाइफ पाथ है, जो रोड है, उन दोनों में ठीक से बैठा नहीं, तो हम लोग गाड़ी को एडजस्ट करेंगे ताकि दोनों में एडजस्टमेंट हो सके. So that leaves us a room.
इसके लिए वो सब लोग नेम में एक्स्ट्रा X, Y, Z.
Exactly. So that basically gives us a handle for intervention. You can't change a date of birth of a person. You can't change the total of date of birth, anything, but you can change your name. You can change your mobile number and all of those things. तो वो सब चीज़ें आती है. So those become the points of intervention. So life path 1 has a different significance. Mulank 1 has a different significance.
Okay. So let's just talk about Mulank. Mulank जिसका 1 है, उसका कैसे रहेगा?
So see, every number is ruled by a planet, as we know. Mulank एक is ruled by the sun, so they'll show sun-like traits. Sun, basically, sun is the king, right? And sun is great at gathering followers. Followers की करना is authoritative a little bit. At times he's insecure, उसको spotlight चाहिए रहता है अपने आप पे. And the good thing about sun is that it's highly original. Creative ideas हो, कुछ original ideas चाहिए आपको, जहाँ पे आपको initiative की ज़रूरत है, तो sun excels at that. The negative thing is that he wants to achieve a goal. For instance, he wants others to obey him. Okay, because sun is not the ground level worker. He's the commander.
He's the boss.
Not the commander. He's the boss. Yeah, he's the boss of the commander. He's above the commander. So he wants to command. He wants others to obey him. Number 1. Number 2, sun वालों का ये है कि like they want the spotlight on them. उसके लिए अगर किसी को हटाना भी हो तो वो हटा देंगे. लेकिन like they want the kind of selfish as rulers are, वैसा होता है. But otherwise, in terms of leadership and taking initiative and all of those things, it's a fantastic number. And even if you talk about the Bhagyank, life path number 1, that is one of the 3 auspicious numbers. 1, 5, and 9 are very auspicious life path numbers. Others are not that good. They have their each, which of course we'll cover later on. So that is how sun is. Moving on to